Look,
It's making me throwing up.
no!
Oh, no!
This is the wrong position. I have to be on that side. Or else people will not recognize us. You have more room over there. Move.
No, you were taking the entire space.
I was.
As usual. Already ruined. My weekend is already ruined.
You're higher than me.
Because I'm taller, bitch. Put a pillow under your ass.
No! Snowstorm outside.
Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my friend Yani.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a challenge video. So we're gonna be eating, or not eating because Fabio hates it. We're gonna be doing the Goldilocks Polvoron challenge. It says here, best of the Philippines, I think.
Who invented this challenge?
Sweet treats, more fun in the Philippines. Who invented this challenge?
Who's that stupid person?
Nobody I think the very first person I saw who did this challenge was Michelle D. A Filipino YouTuber. She's a makeup guru, beauty guru. And I think it'd be fun to do it as well. So the challenge is pretty much kind of like, it's like the Chubby Bunny challenge, but instead of putting marshmallow in our mouth, we're gonna be doing the Polvoron challenge. And this is not sponsored by Goldilocks, by the way. So Goldilocks, if you want to sponsor us, hit us in the comments down below.
It's gonna be like eating ashes, basically.
Yeah, Fabio hates this. Fabio has tried this before. I made him try it.
Disgusting.
Fabio, tell us why you hate this stuff.
Because it feels like I went to the beach, I grabbed some sand and I just put it in my mouth, and that's it.
This is one of the Filipino delicacies.
It's the most stupid delicacy.
It's one of the candies. We love, Filipinos love this.
It's not even a candy. It tastes
It is a
like
candy.
nothing.
It tastes something. It's cookies and cream.
Ashes and ashtrays.
I love it. So we're gonna be doing this. I don't know, what are we gonna say? You know how when you put the marshmallow in your mouth, you say Chubby Bunny? What are we gonna say?
We're gonna say Goldilocks.
Anyway, did you guys notice our matchy outfit?
No, I picked my own personal outfit and Yani was like, oh, I'm gonna match you. I'm gonna wear this white. Why?
Because we're a couple and boyfriends, partners usually have couple outfits.
So when one does the dishes like me, you don't do them.
Yes,
you
that's
can match
correct.
me also in that if you wish.
Yes, that's correct.
You still have He still has Pokemon Go. Please tell him something. This is what's inside the package. So I believe someone ate two, or Goldilocks just didn't put two in our box.
Do you guys like his accent? Put two. We're gonna be reading phrases from this app called Watch Your Mouth. You know the game that you're supposed to put the mouth guard in your mouth and then you play. And we don't have a lot actually, so I think we only have 5 left. It's supposed to be, oh, we have 10 left. It's supposed to be 12 by 8 too. 12 minus 2 is 10.
12 minus 10 is 2? Wow. Accounting.
It is! 12 minus 10 is 2!
Oh yeah.
Stupid ass.
So basically, this is how it looks. Yani, cover your face. It's basically ashes pressed together.
Yeah.
Literally, that's the same color.
You don't have to tell them. All the Filipinos know and love this. First, we're gonna put it in our mouth and we're gonna say the phrase.
I wish I could leave it wrapped like this.
It's probably better for you.
Oh, I know. Maybe I would like it. Maybe I don't remember this. Because the one that I tried was the purple one.
Stop talking. Let's start the game. So, without further ado, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and subscribe. Okay,
Okay, step 1.
Are you still talking?
Yes, because when I don't talk, you always say, oh, your energy. I'm talking.
Okay, there's always a complaint with Fabio. Let's hear his complaint. What's the complaint,
No, I'm not
Fabio?
complaining anymore. I'm gonna eat this shit.
Okay, so first, level 1. What are we gonna call this? Level 1. This one. Okay. Level 1, 1 Polvoron in our mouth. We're gonna put it together.
It smells better than the other one.
It's cookies and cream flavor. I got cookies and cream for you. But also because this is the only thing that's available in the store. So it looks something like this, guys.
What kind of candies do you eat, guys? They're so huge. Kids are gonna choke on those.
We're not gonna swallow it. Keep it in our mouth.
My mouth is not big enough for that.
You can cut it in half. I said sorry before. You can cut it in half.
No,
Yeah.
that's not
Yeah,
valid.
do it.
No.
It's valid. You can't put more. You can't put more. Do it!
Like, read the sentence. Name your
Do
thing.
it! It's funny.
Yani, I wanna do what I wanna do.
Okay.
Fucking no. It's not then. You're gonna vacuum.
The first word is German bratwurst.
German bratwurst.
No.
German brat. Hot puppies and catfish.
Fabi's word is.
Hot puppy and fried catfish.
Don't swallow it.
Oh no.
Okay. Number 2. Why
Can you move on? Because it's making me so enough.
Why you mad?
Because you tell me how do I have to do this game.
Because it's funny you like this.
Oh, cool.
I want to eat it.
I usually eat.
Level 2. Go. Cheers. Beef and mushroom kebab.
Consume baby food with a bib.
Number 3.
This is disgusting.
What's that? Fried bologna with mustard.
How much is little not sticky?
Number 4. No.
Oh, crap! I'm choking. It sticks to my palate. I tried.
I just want to eat the rest. It's good.
It's sticking everywhere in my mouth.
It's good though.
Next time the dentist asks me what have you done, I'll tell her. That's disgusting. Next time my dentist asks what have I done, I'm gonna ask my boyfriend. I'm gonna show her the video.
Do you not like the flavor at all?
No. When cookies fall in the sand and then you just eat them because you're so hungry and they're full of sand, it's the same taste.
It's good though. I like it.
I don't like this challenge. It's stupid.
So obviously I won. Fabio definitely lost because he's the one who gave up first. I could definitely put more things in my mouth.
We all know that.
I know you would say something. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Even though this is probably gonna be a short video.
Thumbs down.
Fabio hated this challenge, but we just have to do it because I saw this.
Who said we had to do it?
Because it's something, I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you all in the next video.
No, I'm not coming.
He's so mad.